And it's always like that. Wherever you from, you will get hated the most. You know, most rappers die in their own city, man. It's a fact. You know, they hate you for no reason. They hate you for your success. You know, and these people, you develop hatred in your own city. You know, it's just hatred and being mindful of your situations. You know, these dudes on that H out there, these dudes gonna try you, man. So, you know, you gotta be out of sight, out of mind for these guys, man. You know, niggas hating, niggas getting money, niggas gonna hate you in your city. You know, and I advise everybody, once they get money, get out their city, man, because that's where the hatred gonna come.
Man, that shit fucked up, man. Man, I know, man. I was recording. I was that cameraman, man.
Man, I remember them niggas, man. Rich, Ratchet, Reese, Too Hood, man. Them niggas was goddamn up and coming rappers, man, out the hood. Man, wasn't you with them?
Yeah.
How you get away?
I ran.
You ran?
Yeah.
They kill Dobie, they kill Fresh, they kill Jimmy. They kill Extension, they kill Nipsey. I pray I don't get killed in my own city. I pray I don't get killed in my own city. They kill Pac, they kill Cheeks, they kill Biggie. They kill Soldier Slim, they tried to kill 50. I pray I don't get killed in my own city. I pray I don't get killed in my own city. Nip up 5 times, one dome shot, then he kicked him. Is a conspiracy or genocide as we mourn another victim. Tears flow throughout the ghetto, listen closely, hear the cries. For every one artist they sacrifice, 1,000 shall arise. Reckon I'll be next up, so every show I'll be vexed up. From assassinated for my honesty, purge and tear this bitch up. If one of my partners plotting, God don't let the weapons form. Swell, no hate is equivalent to the hate what I was born. They kill Dobie, they kill Fresh, they kill Jimmy. They kill Extension, they kill Nipsey. I pray I don't get killed in my own city. I pray I don't get killed in my own city. They kill Pac, they kill Cheeks, they kill Biggie. They kill Soldier Slim, they tried to kill 50. I pray I don't get killed in my own city. I pray I don't get killed in my own city.
Smoke one for the real ones. Keys a nigga, yeah, we miss you. Gang ties keep the sky crying. Blow a big cloud, hope it get to you. This pussy shit ain't got no limit to it. These niggas hate you cause they can't deflate you. Wanna be crowd, but they got the flavor. I guess it reside in the coward nature. Watch hate when it's slick. When small shit turn big, it'll have a nigga that was practically family. Putting one up in your wig. My auntie just said a prayer for the kid. They tell me my killer probably where I live. I guess I just gotta blow and make it big. Big.
A wise man once told me the seeds you plant will be the fruit you eat. So watch how you feed the youth. Cause the wolves you create when they hungry might turn around and put you on the menu.
But then
they kill Dobie, they kill Fresh, they kill Jimmy. They kill Extension, they kill Nipsey. I pray I don't get killed in my own city. I pray I don't get killed in my own city. They kill Pac, they kill Cheeks, they kill Biggie. They kill Soldier Slim, they tried to kill 50. I pray I don't get killed in my own city. I pray I don't get killed in my own city.
You'll pass right by him selling CDs outside the club. But let him die and you'll cop that bitch. Nigga be living, you'll pass right by his merch table. But let him die and have that R.I.P. face on that motherfucker. You want motherfuckers to see you wearing that motherfucker. You trying to get support off his death. But you wouldn't support him while he was here.